Yo, today I'm going to show you how to make a sliding toggle button inside of Roblox Studio. So first what you have to do is make a screen GUI instead of starter GUI, and then make a frame. Next, add another frame and set the size to 107 and 55. Now add a UI corner inside of the frame and set the corner radius to 0.5. Next, add another frame. You can name this frame color frame and set the size to 97 and 48. And also inside of this frame add a UI corner and the corner radius 0.5, and change the background color to red with the value of 83, like that, and position this in the middle of the other frame, like that. Now inside of the color frame add an image button and delete the image placeholder and set the background color to red, like that, and set the size to 35 by 35, and add a UI corner inside of the button with a corner radius of 1, so it's a circle. Now you need to position this in the middle of the frame with 10 pixels from the left, like that. Now, inside of the second frame, add a local script. Inside of this local script, we're going to get the frame, which is the script.parent, which is this frame. The color frame is equal to toggle frame colon wait for child color frame, that's the second frame, and also the toggle knob is equal to color frame colon wait for child image button. So inside of the color frame we get the image button. Next we need to declare a variable is on and set it to false, and get the tween service is equal to game colon get service tween service, and the knob size is equal to toggle knob dot size dot x capital X dot offset, and add a mouse button one click listener to the toggle knob colon connect a function open and close parentheses and enter. Now we need to set is on is equal to not is on. What this does is it toggles the value of is on, so if it was true it's going to be false, and if it was false it's going to be true. Now we need to get the target position, and if is on or if is on is equal to true, then the color frame dot background color is equal to color 3 dot from RGB 0 100 and 0. This is a dark green, and the toggle knob dot background color is equal to color 3 dot from RGB 0 255 0. This is a lighter green, and the target position is equal to u dimension 2 dot mu is equal to 1 comma minus knob size plus 10 0 comma 0.5 comma minus knob size divided by 2, like that. Now else if the button is off, then color frame dot background color is equal to color 3 dot from RGB 83 comma 0 comma 0, and the toggle knob dot background color is equal to color 3 dot from RGB 255 0 and 0, and the target position is equal to 0 comma 10 comma 0.5 comma minus knob size divided by 2. Next we need to make a tween or animation. Local tween is equal to tween service dot colon create. We need to pass in the element which we are changing, which is the toggle knob, and the tween info. So first we have the amount of seconds 0.25, the easing style is going to be quad, and the easing direction, which is going to be out, and then comma curly braces, and let's change the position is equal to target position. So we're changing the position of the toggle knob to the new target position, and now tween colon play, and that's it. Now if you go back and click play, When you click the button, it's going to toggle on and off, and the color is going to change like that. That's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Bye.